Hello students, welcome to my channel Science Analytica. Today we'll be discussing about the topic bond, that is bond cleavage. So what bond cleavage is? It is the splitting of a chemical bond. Basically it's just the splitting of a chemical bond. So here we can consider an example for this statement or example, or you can say this can be also written as A, which is connected by a single bond with B, and when some reaction takes place which leads to the dissociation of these two atoms, and hence these two atoms get dissociated. So this is the bond cleavage. So now we'll head to the types of bond cleavage. That is, first one is homolytic bond cleavage. This involves the breaking of a covalent bond in such a way that each atom separates with the electron of the shared pair. So here you can consider the AB having shared pair of electrons in between them both. So the homolytic cleavage takes place, and which leads to dissociation of these two atoms, A and B having the electron pair along with them, single electron with them, which they get from this electron pair, and which leads to the formation of the free radicals as well. So these are nothing but the free radicals formed. So now I'll tell you what free radical is. Free radicals are the highly reactive neutral particles containing odd or unpaired electrons, and hence they are known as free radicals. So now we'll head to the second type of the cleavage, that is heterolytic cleavage. So this involves the breaking of a bond in the such a way that both the electron of the shared pair carried away by one of the atoms. So here you can consider that same form in which the A and B atoms are connected with the shared pair of electron, and in this case of electrolytic cleavage, both the shared pair of electrons are taken away by the single atom, that is A. In this case, the A took the both shared pair of electrons and hence attained the negative charge over here, and the other atom B attains the positive charge. This only occurs if the A is more electronegative than the B. So if the B will be the more electronegative than A, then the condition will be vice versa. So this was all for this video. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any query related to this video, please feel free to use the comment section and let us know about your queries. And hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much.